Can't decide on the best seating for your terrace or gazebo? We offer you plenty of inspiration. Summer weather invites us to the terrace or garden. If you're fortunate enough to have one, or spend your free time in it, you definitely want it to be well equipped to your liking. We found several inspirations for garden seating, dining, and other moments of relaxation. If you haven't started yet, now is the perfect time. Summer under the open sky is calling you. Even seating under an ordinary tree can have its charm. See how people have created a natural gazebo under a solitary tree at home. Simplicity and functionality should be the guiding principles for garden dining. Larger tables can comfortably seat the entire family. If you're still choosing garden furniture, opt for a combination of natural, yet weather-resistant materials.